Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to look into the crosstab function in PySpark. Crosstab creates a consistency table cross tabulation between two columns. It shows the frequency count of a combination of two categorical columns, commonly used for comparing categories and finding relationship between columns. And syntax for this will be very simple. You will say DataFrame.stat.crosstab, then column 1 and column 2, for which you are finding the relationship. Now here is the sample data, and you can see we have ID, name, and country. And here is the list of the columns for this data. We have ID, name, and country, and here we are creating a data frame called DF. Now let's take a look on this data before we will apply the cross tab function on this data. Okay, here is our output, and you can see we have ID, name, and country, and you can see that Amir Shehzad, we have multiple records for Amir Shehzad. So we have 3 records for Amir Shehzad, we have 3 records for Ali Raza, and then we have a couple of records for Bob, and then a couple of records for Lisa, and their country, relevant countries also displayed right in front of them. So Amir Shehzad belongs to Pakistan, Ali Raza belongs to Pakistan as well, then Bob is from United States, and Lisa is from Canada. Now we are going to go ahead and take a look on the cross tab, how it's going to create us that relationship and give us the information. So we are creating a new data frame called crosstab_df, and then using the old data frame df.crosstab. So now we have to tell a list of the column. So we are going to go for name and country. So now crosstab counts how many times each name appears in each country. That's what it is doing right now. So if we execute this, it's going to give us how many times each name appear in each country. So you already know that we know Amir Shehzad, he's from Pakistan, and the record was 3 times. Ali Raza, he was also from Pakistan, and there was twice of occurrence. And then we have Bob from United States, and the 3 records, and then we have Lisa, and there's also 3. Let me go back and just want to make sure. Yes, Lisa is 3 times. So maybe when I was looking, I was at twice. So anyways, the occurrence of Lisa is in 3 times, and she belonged to Canada. So here in this example, we use the crosstab that help us to count so how many times each name appear in each country. If you want to go further ahead and do some little bit different scenario, we can do that as well. So crosstab between country and name, we are swapping it now. So you can swap the columns to see the data the way you want to see or present. Here in this case, we are saying crosstab country name and df, that's our original data frame crosstab, and then now we put the country name here and then the name here. Okay, now what's going to happen? As remember that first example, we were taking a look for the name, how many occurrences are happening for each of the country. Here we are seeing for the US how many times the names are occurred. So here the name occurred 3 times for Pakistan, and here name Ali Raza occurred twice for Pakistan and 1 for United States, and Bob the 3 times for United States, and Lisa 3 times for Canada. So for Ali Raza, if I go further up here, you see that let me just select that, so we see that hold on, so right here. Okay, so yes, see right there, this is 1 record, the Ali Raza is from USA, and then 2 of the records were from Pakistan. So this is very helpful to analyze data and see how many occurrences or the relationship between those 2 columns are here. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.